In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply Gmail filters using search options. We'll start right inside your inbox. At the very top, look for the search bar. On its far right, you'll see a small filter icon that looks like a down arrow. Click that to open the search options window. This panel is where you define exactly which emails you want to catch with your filter, so a little precision here will save you a lot of time later. First, use the field labeled "has the words" when you want to match general keywords in the message body. This is great for common phrases or references that tend to appear in the email content. If you're looking for a specific phrase, put it in quotes to narrow it down. Keep it simple and specific. Broad terms can pull in more messages than you intend. Next, the subject field targets the subject line specifically. If you're trying to catch messages like invoices, for example, you can use something like subject.invoice to make sure only emails with that word in the subject are matched. This helps when senders use predictable subject lines. If you need to keep certain messages out of the filter, use the doesn't have field to exclude words. This is a helpful way to avoid catching newsletters or unrelated threads. Think of it as your safety net to keep your filter focused and accurate. Once your conditions look right, click Create Filter at the bottom of the search options window. Now you'll choose what you want Gmail to do with any emails that match. You can have Gmail skip the inbox and archive them, which keeps your main view tidy while still keeping messages searchable. You can set them to mark as read if you don't need to review them closely. You can apply a label to categorize and find them quickly later. Pick an existing label that fits your workflow. And you can forward matching emails to another address if you've already set up forwarding and want these to land somewhere else automatically. If you also want Gmail to sort older emails that match your criteria, check the box labeled Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. This retroactively organizes your existing messages so everything is consistent. To finish, click Create Filter to save it. From now on, any new email that meets your conditions will follow the actions you chose. If you notice the filter is too broad or too narrow, open the filter and adjust the terms until the results feel right. With a bit of fine tuning, your inbox will start working for you, not the other way around.